Shit's too sick. Just want to show you guys this Honda we just finished. What's up, compa? Yeah, man, just gotta see if we're gonna be able to stay open. Hopefully the next week we'll know. I'm sure we are, but let me show you guys the interior we just finished on the compa Blue Persuasions Honda. I'm sure you guys remember this car had all blue interior. Kind of did something a little different. His idea, well, both of our ideas kind of agreed on this color. Check this out. Show you guys the rim. What do you guys think?
We got J-Lo's.
Pretty much wrapped up all the little pieces on the sides, the back. This one's sick because if you look up close, it has blue underlay in there too, so it's pretty sick. Doors, just finished the doors. So let me show you guys what we did in the trunk here. Let me pop the trunk open. If I can find it. So we didn't, I know, right? We didn't wrap these, but we kind of did his little setup. Check that out. Kind of just cleaned up the setup. I had the El Compa Victor from Rusty Graphics. He printed these out for us, and he put them on. He did a really good job. Like, this just looks so good. Those are the compressors for the air intake. Head turners. Just to match the outside. I did that like, I don't know, a while back. 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. This is the one with the double sunroofs. If you guys haven't seen this car, first, probably the only Accord that I've seen right now with the double sunroofs on there. And now it's probably the first with the all orange interior. Dude, I really like it. Like, the orange and blue looks fucking dope. I like the way the doors came out. One thing we're gonna work on later is to wrap this piece right here all the way around. This piece right here. I think that would have been pretty dope. But it's kind of difficult because it is a one piece. There's nowhere to tuck it in right here. But what do you guys think so far? Oh, the system. Oh, fuck. Hold on. I think that's what he was working on. He's just putting on the fuse over there. So I don't think there's no radio on. Let me see. It's just 212s, G. Yeah, he's working on the fuse there. But I just want to show you guys. It's pretty much the car right there. So it's all aired out right now, so there's no air. I think one thing he should do later is change those covers to maybe a nice orange to match the interior. What do you guys think? But he's already done pretty much all the plastics in here to match. Even the valve cover. Keeps it really clean. But done. And on to the next one here. So hopefully, you know, this whole coronavirus thing doesn't have us like closing up soon, because we got a lot of work to finish. I called the car wash guy, but ain't nobody picking up right now. It's all dusty. But yeah. Relax. So, what do you guys think about it? Came out pretty nice. I like it. Got all these little trims here done with the wherever the push start is at, also all the way down. So came out really cool. Got some sunroofs ready to go.